So, welcome to episode 1 of Traders Selling Their Ass. First episode is in Japan, and I'm going to do an episode every single day. Now, episode 1 is featuring your one and only TJR selling his ass for 40% off on funded accounts. So, how do funded accounts work? Funded accounts work by you failing accounts. These funded companies do not make money unless you fail. So the transaction is you fail, they win. And here TJR is selling his ass so that you guys can buy these 40% off funded accounts so that you guys can continue to fail at trading so he can continue to rake in that money. Episode 1 featuring TJR.